let's talk about feeding our sourdough. I had 100 grams of sourdough mature starter in the refrigerator, which I've taken out and placed into this bowl. If you look over here, you'll see I have the bowl that it was in, and there is still some little bit of sourdough left in the bottom. We're going to have an experiment with that afterwards. Remember, we want to feed this at a ratio of about 2 to 5 to 4 of starter to flour to water. Now, fortunately for water, weight and volume are practically identical, so 200 grams of water is about 200 milliliters. I find the most effective way is to take this mature sourdough and add the water to that. What that does is it lets us stir up this, thin it out, and it makes it easier to mix it all in with the flour. This is the same procedure you're going to use if you are discarding some and feeding the next day. This is the part that you feed. The discard you'll have over on the shelf ready to do some baking with or whatever. Now that that's mostly settled, I'm going to add this 250 grams. Remember, 100 starter, 200 water, 250 flour. That gives us the ratio as we said. 2 of starter, 5 of flour, and 4 of water. All I want to do is mix this up. And I don't have a free hand, but this is almost good enough. You just want to make sure it's all incorporated. Okay, now you can see that it looks now like sort of a ball of dough. Sticky, but a ball of dough. We take that, we put it up here to sit.